Hi, I'm Deputy Hernandez, and today you guys are going to be riding with me.
Okay, thank you, Georgina.
All right, we'll do it.
I'm going to turn my tablet on, make sure I'm signed in, so that way my body camera, my dash cam's connected together. That way we can upload it at the end of the day. So this is my GPS, just because say if anything happens or if I make a traffic stop, that way I can let dispatch know where I'm at. So the first call of the day is going to be a DOA, which is going to be dead on arrival. Unfortunately, it's going to be at one of our properties. I'm a housing unit, so we patrol multiple Section 8 properties, and from what I know, what dispatch advised me, it's going to be natural causes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and drive out there to the scene, secure the scene, and we're going to go ahead and contact HPD because we need to just make sure, you know, there's no foul play or anything like that.
I think for doctor's office, that's what it said on the medication bag.
So we were dispatched to a DOA, which is short for dead on arrival. We had a patient who was on hospice care for kidney failure. So we did have the ambulance come out, pronounce her. We have the hospice nurse on scene. Now we're just waiting for the medical examiner's office to come out, just so they could examine the body, just to make sure that there was no foul play. Of course, offer our condolences to the family while we take care of our paperwork. So usually when there's children in any of the properties, we like to just stop, say hi, give them little stickers. It really just makes their day, makes them really happy. So the medical examiner advised me I can go ahead and clear the scene, and the body was released to the hospice nurse, who will then contact the funeral home. I was flagged down for a theft. I don't think we received the call. 911 was called. So as soon as I got here, I was flagged down on a suspicious person. He's a repeated shoplifter. He came, stole a few items. They don't know what exactly was taken, so we don't have a dollar amount at this time. So what I did, I just went ahead and gave a report number to the store employees. That way I can go ahead and try to report, and then if he comes back, I advise them to give us a call. Thank you, you too. I'm a little hungry, so we're gonna go ahead and get some snackies. All right, so Sergeant Martin is out on a unoccupied stolen vehicle. So we're just gonna go back him up, secure the scene, make sure nobody walks up. There's nothing in the vehicle that shows us any identifying information. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and run the plate, go ahead and contact the owner so they can go ahead and pick it up. If not, we're gonna go ahead and have the records flipped. That way we can go ahead and have it towed. I actually grew up in the Avenue, so I'm actually very familiar with the area. Precinct 6 is what I call home. I actually went to Gallegos Elementary School, which is on Harrisburg. And for middle school, I went to Edison Middle School, which is on Macario Garcia. And then I did go to Austin High School, which is on Dumble. My dad, actually, when I was a kid, he wanted to become a police officer, so we used to always sit there and watch Cops or just any kind of law enforcement movies as a child. So seeing that really just made me want to make a difference. So Precinct 6 was actually my first job. Right after the academy, I came straight to Precinct 6. It's always been home, so I figured, you know, why not, you know, stay in the heart of my home. So we're just gonna go ahead and drive through. Usually in the precinct, people run red lights or they run stop signs, and there's schools in this area. There's a park just down the street. So I just want to make sure, you know, everyone's following the law.
3600 dirty truck.
Oops. I'm a dirty traffic. Roll the windows down. Roll the windows down. Alright, so I pulled this vehicle over just because they have a headlight out, and as soon as they got in front of me, they tried, it looked like they were trying
Battery level is low.
to get away. Gonna go ahead and run the driver, see what's going on.
So they're gonna check. They have maybe like a family member or somebody with a valid driver's license.
Yeah.
The thing is that they have the girl in the back. She does have a driver's license, but it's not from Texas.
So they didn't have a headlight, but when I got behind him, he's in the far left lane, and he sees me and he just cuts across straight to pull into here. So I'm like, no.
She does have a license from her from Peru,
Okay.
and she's going to school over here.
Okay.
So it's no
Okay.
different than when you go to travel somewhere else and you use your American license, you know?
Yeah. Sarge said that it was okay that the back passenger, she did have a license out of Peru, so he stated that it was clear for her to drive. So as long as he said that that's okay, then that's okay with me. I did not issue a citation. Thanks for backing me up. Appreciate it. Alright, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and head in, cut out for the night.
Alright.
Thank you guys for joining me on this ride along. It was a pleasure to have you all. I'm Deputy Hernandez. Thank you for watching. Bye.